Building good habits is essential. If you want to get your desired results, you must take that accountability first and be consistent. And thanks to good habits, you'll be able to perform your best. Hello there, guys, and welcome to FTMO. My name is Nelly, and I'm an FTMO performance coach. And today, I'm going to talk about habits and how to create the good ones. So, think about your usual average day. Do you have a daily routine? What are your habits? If you want to become a long-term profitable trader, you'll have to sacrifice a lot of time and energy to it. And when I'm talking about that time and energy, I don't really mean just spending them on charts, actively trading, but also preparing yourself for it. Studying, reviewing, observing, writing everything down, backtesting, and so on. If you take trading seriously, these activities should be definitely a part of your routine. You can create a weekly schedule for yourself, which will enable you to get a precise idea of what you should do and when. Until now, I was only mentioning the parts that will help you to improve your technicals. And of course, technicals are essential, so you must work on them in order to become a profitable trader. To find the best way how to trade, you must practice first. Give yourself the time to find out which strategy fits you the best. What is that right lot size? And risk management. And after all those hours of practicing, you may get this desirable outcome because you need to see those results, as they will make it easier to feel comfortable while making decisions based on the system which you built for yourself. It cannot be overemphasized how crucial it is having that strategy you believe in. If you don't have such a strategy, trading won't be comfortable for you at all, and you won't feel confident while making these decisions. Trading a system you don't trust is kind of like being on a diet, which doesn't make any sense to you. Sooner or later, you'll give up doing so. Meanwhile, trading a system you do believe in feels much easier to follow. When you feel like you can rely on that system, it is easier to stick with it, even while losing streaks. That's why it is so crucial to have a strict daily plan, including those habits, which will help you to improve your trading style. However, think about what is crucial while making the best decisions. It is that knowledge which gives you the confidence and also the mental sharpness, right? And what can you do to improve that mental sharpness? Well, you need to have enough energy, right? Which means you should be well rested. And in order to achieve it, good sleep hygiene is necessary. You can have it in your time blocks. Use your phone as a reminder that it is already time to sleep. Set a decent amount of sleeping hours for yourself. You know yourself the best, so is 6 hours enough for you? Then go for it. Do you need to sleep for 8 hours? Do it, and regularly. I'm telling you, sleep hygiene cannot be overrated. So go to the bed at the same time each night and get up at the same time each morning, including on the weekends, if possible. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, relaxing, and at comfortable temperature. And if you can remove all electronic devices such as TVs, computers, and smartphones, please do so. Or do you need your smartphone because you got an alarm set? Well, then fine, but maybe you can still put it on the airplane mode. You need to feel good as well. And you can influence that by cutting down on the junk food and the time spent in front of your screens. Instead, start nurturing your body with all the good things. Drink enough water and exercise daily. Because these are the things that you can control. These are the daily decisions that you can turn into habits and which are gonna help you in the long term. And I don't mean only to feel good about yourself, but also to perform your best. All these things will help you to improve that mental sharpness because the mind and body are connected. But as I said at the beginning, if you want to become a successful trader, then you need to work on those technicals. You need that strategy which can bring you those profits. So work on it constantly and don't forget to take care of your body and mind. Create a time schedule for yourself. Have a precise idea of what you must do during the day. Create achievable tasks for every single day and try to check everything on your to-do list. If you start implementing those activities into your daily routine, they'll become habits. You just must start by organizing yourself and showing up. Do you have a daily and weekly routine? Do you use the to-do lists? And what does help you to stay on track? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't done it yet, hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow FTMO on all socials. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck with everything. Trade safe!